Running is where I get to know myself at the deepest level. If you can control your mind, your body is capable of doing so much more than you think. I never thought I would become an ultra runner. It wasn't something I was necessarily trying to do. I just fell in love with running after achieving my first marathon in 2017. When I crossed the finish line, I knew it was just the beginning for me. I could tell it's what I was born to do. Growing up, like so many boys and girls, I dreamt of being an AFL player. It was everything to me. After a game in July 2016, I remember walking out of the change rooms when I found my coach on the phone. I quickly realised it wasn't a normal phone call. My coach told me that my friend and footy teammate passed away in his sleep. He simply went to bed healthy and 18 years old, and he didn't wake up. Shocked, heartbroken, I thought, how could that happen? My teammate had a heart of gold, a huge smile and a famous loopy handshake for everyone he met. He showed me, it's not about how long you know someone, it's about the impact they have on your life. It taught me life is incredibly precious. So while we're here, we must do the things we love and spend time with people we love. I made the commitment to myself that day that I was going to dedicate my life to chasing my dreams and to helping others chase theirs. Today, I'm an ultra runner, entrepreneur, and keynote speaker, and I'm living my purpose. I think everyone wants to chase their dreams, but their fear, limiting beliefs, financial pressures, relationship pressures, and the like hold them back. But you just can't let those things stop you. You can't. So many people live as if they're going to live forever. I feel if people realised how precious life was, they would be braver and they would chase their dreams now. My goal is to inspire others to skydive, to start their dream business, to learn a new language, skill or instrument, to ask him or her out. I'm running from Cairns to Melbourne in 2022. It's a journey of approximately 3,500 kilometres. I'm proud to be partnering with Make-A-Wish Australia. Through chasing my dream, I'll be playing a small part in helping sick children suffering a critical illness to achieve their number one wish. When a wish comes true, a child discovers that despite their situation, anything is possible. That's what my run is all about. My name is Sean Bell. I'm a 24-year-old ultra marathon runner from Melbourne, Australia, and this is my story so far.